This channel is making more than $20,000 monthly posting automated short videos. Take note, it's just the leads they are making based on the data from NoX Influencer and Social Blade. They could be making hundreds of thousands on sponsorships and more. Let's watch their latest video.
Is one of the slowest and laziest animals in the world.
Basically, they're just telling interesting facts about animals. This could be you, which is an internet connection laptop in 10 minutes, and here's how. Go to ChatGPT and write name of 10 animals, then choose any animals that you like. After that, add GPT to write 20 to 30 words essay about your chosen animal. You can make them longer if you like and then copy those words. Head to Play Data by clicking the link on my description. This is what you'll see in your screen now. If you already have an account, click Login, or if this your first here, click Create Free AI Voice. Over then, enter your details, or in my case, I just sign up with Google. You'll see this after you've signed. Now, click Create Audio and choose Use Ultra-Realistic Voices, then paste your script into the text box. Larry is their default AI voice, but you can choose another voice by clicking it. Their voices vary from gender, age, style, tempo, and more, which you can see on the header part. Now you can try playing voice samples until you find one you prefer. I'll use Copper for mine. To choose it, simply click the name. You can see this
book
button
reveals
on the
where
side.
we can and cannot
Click it
trust.
and choose it. If you're done customizing your voice, on this side, you can see green button saying Generate Preview. Click it and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done, click Play button and review the voice. If you don't like it, you can do the process
elephant,
like we did
known
earlier,
for its immense
and make
size
some
and gentle
adjustments.
demeanor, is a remarkable.
Once you're satisfied with it, click this button to download your file. It will download a WAV file, but don't worry, it'll still support it for our next step. Head to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, then click Sign Up. In Canva search bar, type in YouTube Shorts, click it, then click Create Blank File. On left side bar, click Upload the WAV file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, hold on to it and drag it to your work area. If your audio file is compressed, click on this white blank page and drag it, then hold and drag your audio to its full length. Now let's look for copyright-free visuals. Here are free websites that offers copyright-free footage. I'll use Pixels for mine. If you can't find your desired visuals there, simply look for other websites. Select on Pixel search bar. I'll search for elephants. Since we are using these for shorts, click Filter All Orientations, then choose Vertical. In that way, we don't have to spend more time cropping those pictures. Now I can easily find what I am looking for. Simply select the photos you find. Here's a tip. You don't have to download photos. Simply hold on the photo and drag and drop it to Canva's website. Now let's find video clips as well. For videos, you will have to manually download the videos. Don't worry, it will only take some seconds depending on your internet speed. Now adjust the clips to your liking. After it's done, it's time for background music. Let's use YouTube's very own audio library. Click your profile YouTube Studio, then Audio Library. There are a wide range of tracks where you can choose from, and it's all for free to make it easier. Let's filter it out. Click this button. Choose General, check Ambient, then Apply. Now listen and search for the one you like. I'll choose this. I'll add the audio you downloaded on your project. If you think it's ready, download your file. It's done, but it's still missing something. We need some subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to v.io. I've included it along with other links as I've mentioned. Checked it on the description. Since I already have an account, I get directed here. Click to upload a file and upload your video file. All right, now click Subtitles, then Auto Subtitles. There are 100+ languages here, but I'll choose English. Wait for a few seconds to generate your subtitles, then play the video once it's done.
The elephant, known for its immense size and gentle demeanor, is a remarkable creature. With its long trunk and ivory tusks.
Perfect. If you like to change anything, you can change, and now play back your video and review it. If you think some tags are delayed, just do some adjustments. Once you are satisfied with outcome, click Done, then export the video. Wait for a few seconds, and now download the file and choose the M4 format. Now let's compare our video with Concept 1.
This is one of the slowest and laziest animals in the world. Meet the sloth, the cute slow-motion furball. Sloths are a group of neotropical mammals, with 6 different species. Known for their slow movements, they spend almost their entire lives hanging from trees in the tropical rainforests of South and Central America. Although sloths are mammals, they are what is known as poikilotherms, and do not regulate their body temperature the way most warm-blooded animals do, which results in their extremely low metabolism, which explains their slowness and laziness. They sleep for about 15 hours per day, and spend the rest of their day laying around the trees, and they only move occasionally to find food and mates, which can take them 2 weeks to process a single meal. They only come down to the ground once a week to go to the bathroom. Despite being slow and lazy, sloths are great swimmers. They can also hold their breath for a whopping 40 minutes due to their slow heart rate.
The elephant, known for its immense size and gentle demeanor, is a remarkable creature. With its long trunk and ivory tusks, it exudes both strength and grace, captivating the hearts of humans and symbolizing wisdom and intelligence in many cultures.
Lastly, upload your video. If you found this helpful, hit the like video and consider sharing. I'll be posting more videos to help you make money for free. So hit the subscribe and all notifications to be first to know. Remember, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen.